Slow down, girl. Slow down, honey. Slow down.
Like, I would
Good job.
I think it was. Yeah.
Go to the bar.
I'm gonna turn this off. No, like the library.
the exception, they have like some stuff to do.
On behalf of this flight crew and Southwest Airlines, welcome to Boston. Please remain seated with seatbelts firmly fastened and be carrying items to the right when they are until the captain park the aircraft at the gate and turn off the seatbelt sign. Once you've done so, please use caution over your phone or headbands as items may have shifted during flight and could fall out. You may now use these cellular functions on your small portable handheld devices. Larger devices must remain stowed. If you are connecting here to another Southwest Airlines flight, please check the monitors inside the terminals for your gate and flight information. This is the termination of this flight number, so please check around your seating area, your seat back pocket for any items you brought on board. As once you do plane, you will not be allowed to reboard and collect those items.
Like TJ, like on average, like in a given semester, like okay, so like say for instance, like Abbott 0, right? But like how many degrees?
We know you have choices when you fly. We thank you so much for choosing us here at Southwest Airlines.
Well, the average teacher has to have 5 classes to get on that.
No, how many degrees would they give students?
Food for that.
Might have a
Never look down on anyone unless you're planning on helping them out. Feel like this too often in world.
So like I would say on average,
Kind words don't cost anything, but they accomplish much. So be kind to one another. Compliment somebody throughout the year. Lift somebody up. Say nice things. Maybe it's a smile is all they need to brighten your day. So go out, buckle up, know that we love you here at Southwest Airlines, and come back and see us real soon. Welcome to Boston.